Good morning or good afternoon, wherever you're joining us from. I'd like to go into more depth today in this webinar, this second of the two-part series on the LyoModelling calculator and new tool to assist you in freeze-drying process design. I'm Robin Bogner, and let's start. Let me just let you know, for those of you who weren't able to join us for part one, that you can find it here in the archive at SP, and when you get there, you will see this screen where you can access that first webinar from. That part one was really for beginners, beginning freeze dryers. This is more for advanced. If you're not sure whether you're advanced or a beginner, then, well, I'll give you some beginning hints as well here. In that first part one webinar, we walked through the required user input. Here we're going to go into the advanced user input. And we showed folks how to construct a freeze-drying design space. So if that interests you, you can go back to that webinar. Part two really is to review the sections of the LyoModelling calculator and then to explore the underlying equation that's solved by the LyoModelling calculator. That's the advanced part, and that is solved to determine the maximum product temperature during primary drying, the sublimation rate, and the total time it would take for primary drying. Those are estimates based on inputs. And we'll walk through the advanced user input area. The layout of the Lyo calculator looks a bit like this, where we have user inputs. Those are required, right? And so everybody needs to put those in. And based on those user inputs, we have a report that you get. And I'll show you all about that. And you can see here in the advanced user input, defaults have been loaded in. And so if you're an advanced user, I'll show you how to change those.